Hey, thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to show you how to get up to $300 off the AirDoctor air purifiers. Now we're at the website here, the AirDoctor website, and they have four different models. They have the AirDoctor 1000, AirDoctor 2000, AirDoctor 3000, and then the AirDoctor 5000. Now each one of these has a different price. The AirDoctor 5000 sells for $999. The AirDoctor 3000 sells for $629. The AirDoctor 2000 sells for $389, and then the AirDoctor 1000 sells for $399. That's the retail price. I'm going to show you how to save anywhere from $110 all the way up to $300 on all these different products. So what you want to do in order to activate that coupon is click the link below this video. That link is couponqueso.com/AirDoctor. Now go ahead and do that, and it'll take you to this page where you automatically have the discount applied. Now if we look down here, this went from $399 to $289, saving you $110. This one went from $389 all the way to $279, saving you $110. Then for the AirDoctor 3000, this one goes from $629 to $349, saving you $280. And then for the AirDoctor 5000, it went from $999 to $699, saving you $300. So you can go anywhere from $110 all the way up to $300 off the AirDoctor products. Now if you look at this one over here, the AirDoctor went to $699, which is almost the retail price of the AirDoctor 3000. So you can get the AirDoctor 5000 for the price almost of the AirDoctor 3000. So that's all you have to do. Just click the link below this video, and that link will automatically apply that coupon code, and then you can check out and save a bunch of money. That link is couponqueso.com/AirDoctor. It'll be the link in the description of this video. That first link, click it and enjoy the savings.